Okay, Gov, with regards sa mga observation ka kanina, united ang legislative and executive. Unsa ka mahinungdanon ang appeal sa legislative sa programa nga imuhang ipatuman sa Province of Cebu?
Mahinungdanon gyud kaayo ang atong mga board members and our vice governor under the legislative na branch, no? Kay nakita nato in the past 3 years of my 4th term, there were times nga ang akong executive order gikinahanglan nga paligunan pag yun with an ordinance, and every time wa gyud na mo talikod kanako ang provincial board. Unanimously they would pass the necessary ordinance to give further teeth, to give further strength to the whatever guidelines we may have adopted under the executive order. Gani niabot ang kaning pinakatapusan, giindingan yun. Di na malanggod unta to og wa pay reaction nga violent reaction katong optional use of face masks. I issued EO 16. Optional lagi use of face mask on well-ventilated open areas. Kung optional, pwede ka mo gamit, pwede dili. Pero, kung bati kag naon, padayo gamit. Now, that caused a violent reaction. In fact, reaching a point that those that would not be wearing face mask kuno dakpin at hulihin to apprehend and to arrest. Naraba ko nun na diferensya, para nako maura man na, kung idakpan ka, gihuli ka na. And so, the provincial board rose to the challenge and even convened on my call for a special session, passing on first, second, and third reading the provincial ordinance that adopted or ratified my executive order. So I have been lucky to have worked with a united legislative branch, from the vice governor to all of our 17 board members. This morning, when we led the flag ceremony with Vice Governor Junjun Davide and our provincial board members, that was a sign, a portent of things to come. And these are great things to come for Cebu, because right here in the Cebu provincial government, we are showing the unity that is needed in order to achieve great things. In the same way that our president had so eloquently expressed during the campaign. And in fact, their tandem, our president and our vice president, was known under the name Unity. And so it was just a matter of time that one Cebu and Unity would come together, because we both believe that it is only by getting together, working together in unity, can we hope to move on, move forward, and soar to great heights of progress and development that all Cebuanos, all Filipinos deserve. And I guess you got good footages. You got Ampere here got good pictures. When this will be seen by our fellow Cebuanos, I am confident that this will give them a sense of hope, optimism, and above all, great faith in this great province of ours, because they have chosen leaders that will continue to rise above our own partisan, narrow political interests in order to uphold the greater good.